Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Naz with Hijabz&You with another quick and easy hijab tutorial. Today we're going to use a rectangular shawl and we're going to put together this really beautiful look. Very simple, quick and easy. It's full coverage and it's quick and easy. So let's get right into our tutorial. Stay with me. So here we are. Today I've got a ninja on to cover my neck. And I've put a cap on it just to kind of fancy it up a little bit. You don't need to do that. Whatever makes you comfortable, that's what you do. Just going to show you what the style is of the hijab and how we can put together it very quickly. There's your shawl. Many of you have these, and that's why I use them, so that it gives you a bit of comfort knowing that I have that scarf. Let's see what Naz does. So what I'm going to do is just fold it in a little bit here. And I'm going to use a shorter side and a longer side. So watch me what I do. So what we're going to do first of all is a very short side, very short side. We're going to bring it to the very end of my cap. I'm going to leave a little bit because I wanted to show the bling a little bit. I'm going to bring it down to the bottom, put some pressure, and just fold it in. So I'm just going to fold that in there, and I'm going to use a safety pin and I'm going to pin it. Nice, it's matching today. Look at that. And what I'm going to do with the shorter side is I'm going to put it in the back, and I'm just going to make sure it's nice there so that it gives me coverage in the back. And just for the sake of that, I'm going to put a stick pin here and keep that in place. Now the longer side. Keeping my little fold there, I'm going to take it nice to the top here. And I'm just going to put a stick pin right here. One of the longer ones, I'm going to put it right on the top of my head. See how nice that is? And what I'm going to do with the longer side is I'm going to I'm creating a nice fold here. Now I'm just going to put it back to the other side. And I'm going to give it a pin right on the top. Another stick pin. My dear viewers, you've created this really nice full coverage, really nice flow. It looks really beautiful. You've got all these folds happening. See that? How simple that is. And we have full coverage with it falling nicely, giving you folds, giving you volume and full coverage. And we are done. It's simple as that. Quite easy, quite simple, very elegant looking, and I'll show you what it looks like. You've got the coverage in the back, which is here. You've got full coverage in the front, and you are done. How quick and easy was that? Well, I hope you like that, my dear viewers. And if you did like that, please do hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. It's a quick and easy tutorial. It's got nice coverage. It looks nice. It's got some volume and really nice pleats happening. If you look at it, it folds really nicely. Very simple style, and it's quick and easy. So share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. There's no charge for it. There's no fees. It's just what that means when you subscribe to the channel is that when I do an upload, you are going to get a notification right away to say that Naz has uploaded a video on Hijabz&You. And so you won't miss it. Okay, until we meet again, please, my viewers, do stay safe. Take care of yourself. And please keep 𝗙𝗲𝗋 close to your heart. It's important. Without him, we are nothing. So please do remember him. Remember him in your moments, in your quiet moments, in your, loud moments. Always have him close in your heart and beg him. Beg him for the mercies. In these times that we're living in, we have to have Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in our daily lives. If we don't, it will become a very, very big trial. So if you keep him close to you, these trials will become very easy to handle. Yes, my dear viewers, we must keep Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala close to our heart and remember him. We have a lot of brothers and sisters who are out there. They're very, very good people. Alhamdulillah, by the mercies of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, there's no one that's a bad person. Everyone has a journey. So, but being a good person doesn't mean we do not pray. We must pray. We must stay close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent us with there's a requirement for us on our daily lives. He gives us everything. He gives us this air that we breathe. So we must be thankful. So please do your bit to stay close to him. Inshallah. Until we meet again, this is Naz. Say Assalamu alaikum.